there, I hope you're doing well and welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I sat down and do a longer version of a get ready with me, so today let's get back into it. I'm going to start by priming my skin with this all-day hydrator from Sephora collection. My skin is looking really good lately. I've been doing masks more frequently, clay mask, sheet mask, gel mask, I've been using them. Going to use a pump up foundation. I already know which look I want to do today. My unicorn hand mirror. So the temperature has been rising in a lot of countries. A lot of countries are facing heat waves. I hope you guys stay safe and don't get caught sick in the heat. The other day I went out to play football like I did the other years before, and it was really too hot for me. After like 10 minutes while I was shooting at the goal, I started to get blinded by the light, you can say. Like when I look forward, everything is just so shining and bright, and even other people's skin color start to look like Simpson yellow color, like a really strange yellow color. The green trees started to look really bright and light for me. After a few minutes I was really uncomfortable, like I could hear noises in my left ear. I felt really uncomfortable, I couldn't breathe well. I was seeing a lot of bright colors, like I couldn't see colors right. It was really shitty for me, and luckily I got into a taxi and went home. I felt really uncomfortable that day, so I never want to play football again. It's just that it didn't happen the years before. It was never this hot. So I hope you guys will stay safe, take care of yourself, don't get caught in the heat. In other news, I've been improving a lot at makeup, I think, from like creating new looks, uploading videos, by trying out new makeup products. I ordered new makeup from Nude Sticks and they will arrive today, so I'm very excited for it. I will film a haul later when I receive them. I bought this hair gel from Schwarzkopf and use it on my hair so they're no longer messy and flying around. I hate when little hairs just wouldn't stay in place. I'm still learning how to use it correctly, but right now I really like the sleek look. Let's fill in some eyebrows using my trusty Innisfree brow pencil. I've been using this for so long, just never running out of it. I remember still the day when I bought this brow pencil. Innisfree had a deal of buy one get one for their brow pencils, so I bought one and got one for free. I finished the other one already, this is the second one. My eyebrow routine is just really simple. I draw around it. Even if I get like messy dots like this, it's all fine because I can just brush it out. I'm just filling in color in places where I already have eyebrows. And then brush it out. Simple as that. I'm going to set the foundation and then move on to eyeshadow. I didn't use concealer today and I think my complexion looks good. Also, if you're wondering why I use this Chanel puff in my videos, I don't have any other powder puffs and I don't have the loose powder from Chanel. So the thing is, me and my mom used to buy makeup and skincare from Chanel, mainly my mom, and we got to know this lady who worked at the counter, and we go to that mall a lot to buy groceries, and we walk there a lot, and the lady who works there would greet us. Let me move on to eyeshadow and then continue with the story. I'm going to do a full rainbow look today. The plan is yellow, orange, red, and then green, blue, purple. So the lady who worked at the counter is very friendly. I bought my first Chanel lip gloss from her. My mom bought skincare and makeup there. And the thing is that every time you buy from Chanel, they would give you 2 or 3 samples. But by the end of the month, when they gifted all their samples out and didn't get new samples by the next month, they have nothing to gift us that time. And my mom always loved to get free samples, but that time they didn't have any. So she brought out a bag of pressed powder puffs and loose powder puffs, and that's where I got this from. Moving on to orange next, and the Colourpop palette have a shimmery orange. I want a matte orange, so I'm going to my Kaleidos palette. That's very pigmented. I don't have a red eyeshadow, and the reddest one in the Colourpop palette is actually a deep pink, so I'm going to use a deep pink. I've been filming makeup videos more frequently and consistently. Right now I upload one short video daily for 2 days and then take a day pause and then upload 2 videos again. Short videos are definitely more popular right now because they are short and fast and people love to watch these short and fast videos, and YouTube Shorts would recommend it into a lot of people's shorts feed, so I would reach new audience and new viewers, and that's how I get new subscribers. In the future though, when I reach more people, I definitely love to do longer videos again. This combo actually looks really pretty, yellow, orange, red. Well, it's pink, but let's just pretend it's red. The plan today is already to do this rainbow look, but maybe next time I'll just do this color combo alone and maybe use some colorful liner or shimmery colors. Now moving on to the other side, starting with green. Have you guys gotten your makeup done by a professional makeup artist before? Moving on to blue next. So I have had my makeup done by professional makeup artists before, but it was at brand events from makeup brands that I used to shop by, so it was for free and I didn't have to pay for it. Recently, I saw a video on Instagram of a makeup artist doing makeup for a client, and she charged $400 and it was just a pink cut crease makeup look. Like, I know you should charge your worth and charge for the products and supplies and what you think is fair, but $400 for makeup look that you will wash off by the end of the day? Like, no matter what is on the look, you still wash your face by the end of the day. You don't go sleep with the makeup, it's not there tomorrow. And $400 is a lot. She charged a lot of money for the glitter and for the lashes. That's like $400 for a look is just insane to me. That's a lot of money. But I have no idea how much is the market price for like doing a makeup look. If you have gotten your makeup done before by a professional artist, let me know how much you paid. I'm actually really interested to know. Now we move on to the last color, purple, using the 6 eyeshadow brush, blending the purple nicely into the blue. This is giving peacock vibes. I don't want to use a 7th or 8th little brush, so I'm just going to do this to my eyeshadow brush and make it flat. Now it's time for eyeliner. So I had 2 of the black Kiss Me eyeliners and I finished both of them. This is a new packaging. I'm not sure the formula is different, but it's definitely a new packaging. It looks really pretty. I'm going to use this eyeliner a lot in my videos. I like to start by the end of my eyes and then going a little bit in until like this part of my lid, because as you can see my lid space is very small. If my eyeliner went all the way in, you can't see my eyelid anymore. And then flick it up, find the feeling, then do the wing. Curling my eyelashes. I always wondered what this thing was when I saw it in my mom's cosmetic bag as a kid. Using my trusty Clio Kill Lash Mascara, I use this one all the time. Mascara's on. I want to add a little bit of green and yellow shimmer in the inner corners. I feel like the green side is too dark. That's a really heavy pop of shimmer. We will blend it. That's a really heavy pop of shimmer too. We will blend it out. So this is the finished eye look. This is actually the first makeup look I did when I received this Colourpop Fade into Hue palette. I bought a rainbow palette, of course I had to do a rainbow eyeshadow look. Now I need to do a bit of bronze contour with this Artclass by Rodin palette from Too Cool for School. So do you guys know the account Trend Mood on Instagram? That's basically a beauty news account. They'll always post the newest beauty news of new releases, launches by brands, sometimes when it releases, sometimes before it releases. And it's just really cool to see like all the beauty news of different brands, and then I will see what I'm interested in, then I'll save up for the new upcoming collection if I see something I'm interested in. And a while back, I saw a new brand called Izamaya Beauty from Trend Mood. I never heard of it before. The creator is Izamaya French, is a makeup artist and creative director from Byredo, a makeup brand I never bought from before. But I found the whole concept interesting, so I kept up with the news from them. And now Izamaya Beauty launched. I can't get the products here because they only ship to US and UK, but I started to like watch more of the makeup artist behind it, Izamaya French, and I became a big fan of her. She's really pretty and she does really cool makeup looks, and she has a YouTube channel. She takes you behind the scenes of fashion weeks. It was just really cool to see her do all these makeup looks and see behind the scenes of sets. She really inspired me. She did makeup looks that I would never even think of, and it inspired me to do this. It's been a while since I got inspired this much by someone in the makeup community, but she seems really cool, and it's really cool to see her like do makeup professionally on models for her brand or for other people behind the scenes. She makes the job makeup artist looks really cool, and I want to be a makeup artist because of her videos. Going to use this blush from my project pen. Are you doing a project pen? I'm going to pop on some golden champagne highlighter. I hit pan on my Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter and I'm super happy. Now it's in my project pan as well. I feel like really excited and happy when I hit pan on a makeup product. It means like I've been using it so much that I'm close to finish it. For lips, I'm going to use a Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. The other day when I was filming a short video, it was a trying 3 new eyeliners one. I forgot to put on lip balm before I started doing makeup, and by the end of the makeup, when I tried to put on a lip product, my lips got so dry it started to bleed. And I still applied on lip gloss for the video to like finish the look off and finish the video. And after I'm done with the video, I removed it immediately because I don't want to have any makeup product on my lips while I have bleeding lips. Remember to put on lip balm before you do your makeup. You don't want your lips to start bleeding. And guys, this is a finished makeup look. I know this eye looks kind of strange on camera. Like, if I look at it in person, it doesn't look like that strong with this strong contrast, but on camera this eye looks way darker than this one. It was nice to sit down and do a long video again while I do my makeup, talk about other stories and stuff. I also enjoy doing shorts as well. Let me know which one you prefer to watch, shorts or long videos. Anyways, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the look. Take care of yourself, don't get sick from the heat. I hope you are doing well, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!